Sicon distribution is designed specifically as an enhancement for Sage 200 and is fully integrated with the Sage 200 stock and order processing modules. Sicon distribution consists of 9 individual modules, allowing you to simply purchase the modules with business needs with the option to add to them at a later date. The warehouse replenishment module can be used for topping up multiple remote warehouses such as engineer vans, consignment warehouses and production plants. Material planning provides suggested purchase orders to handle future stock shortages using current stock levels, sales order and other demand to determine when stock is required based on supply lead time. In reserves and call-offs, you can hold allocated stock for customers within Sage 200 and release it via SOP or directly from the reserve. You can use SOP and POP contracts to manage commitment to purchase and track progress. The Future Sales module uses historical sales and seasonal trends to forecast future sales demand to drive purchase recommendations. Purchase order management is an enhancement for purchasing, including supplier delivery KPIs, inspection of goods, expanded landed costs, supplier quantity breaks and minimum order values. The pre-allocation management module links purchase orders with sales orders to ensure immediate allocation at goods in. You can edit and manage pre-allocations between orders using this module. The container management module allows you to manage the full cycle of container creation, linking multiple purchase orders and managing the stages of loading, travel and customs clearance. Stock Matrix allows you to handle the creation of colour, size, style or seasonal stock items with the grid style SOP and POP order entry. And finally, the Sales Order Management module is an enhancement for sales processing, which includes telesales, copy of historical orders and complementary superseded and discontinued products. Customer delivery KPI, stock item customer history and enhanced stock balance views are available using this module. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available within these distribution modules. For more information, please refer to our website at www.sicon.co.uk.